Hello and welcome to the second episode of the Saturday Showdown. Today we have Chirag and Abhi, both from our sales team. Both are very good colleagues, but today they are going to be rivals for this show. They'll go head to head in today's competition, wherein the fastest person to separate 2 ml microcentrifuge tube from the beaker, which is filled with different volumes of microcentrifuge tube as well as cryovials, will be the winner. Here are the rules on your screen. For this challenge, today we are going to use Accumax Cryovials and Accumax microcentrifuge tubes of different volumes. For microcentrifuge tubes, we are going to use 1.7 ml and 2 ml tubes, while for the cryovials, it's going to be 1.8 ml and 1 ml, just to confuse them. Today we have Chirag and Abhi, both from sales department, very good friends on and off the work. Today they are going to be rivals for this episode. So the rules are, Chirag and Abhi, you have a beaker with both of you, which is filled up with 1.7 ml of MCT, 2 ml MCT, 1 ml cryovial as well as 1.8 ml of cryovial. The point of interest here is only 2 ml microcentrifuge tube, right? You need to isolate it, separate it from this beaker and collect it into your individual racks. Whoever will get maximum of 2 ml MCT in the racks will be the winner and will be the winner of Amazon coupon, right? So we'll blindfold both of you, and on the counter of 1 we'll start it. Cool, thank you. So all set, 3, 2, 1, go. We're going for 90 seconds. Come on, who is getting the highest number of 2 ml MCTs? Let's see.
Come on, Chirag.
All the MCTs. All the MCTs have to be filled up in the racks.
Abhi, come on. Let's start, yes.
Only the MCTs kept in the rack will be counted.
Chirag, go.
Abhi.
Chirag, faster. Abhi, yeah.
Abhi नीचे गिर रहा है, अभी संभाल के.
Come on, let's see who has the better grip of the product. Come on. Both are going head to head. Chirag,
Faster.
15 more seconds to go. 15 more seconds. Are you going to play? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what we have seen here is Abhi, he has had 11 tubes, while with Chirag we have already counted it. So with Chirag it is 12 tubes. So the winner difference is only 1 tube, and winner is Chirag. The winner of this competition, as you know, Chirag, 1000 rupee Amazon coupon to Chirag. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to participate in any such episodes, do write us on this email ID and we'll give you a chance to feature in one of the episodes. Stay tuned for more such contests every week coming your way under the Saturday Showdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are looking for getting more information on any of our products, you can visit our website to get more detailed information. Thank you. Stay tuned.